यहाँ तक आप लोगों को पूरा समझ में आ गया था. You all understood everything, right? अभिज्ञान especially because Miran has not watched the videos yet. मिरान, आज ये सारे वीडियोस आप कंप्लीट कर लीजिएगा और अपने नोटबुक में लिख लीजिएगा.
Yes, sir.
राइट मिरान?
Yes, sir.
देखिए, नेक्स्ट जो हम देख रहे हैं दैट इज कैपिटल वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस. Few fixed assets are those which we cannot buy, but we have to get them constructed or prepared. I repeat, Miran, few fixed assets cannot be purchased, but we need to get them constructed or prepared, right? For example, you have a piece of land, your factory is to be built on this piece of land. Now, on this piece of land, you have to make a building. This is building. Can you purchase a building and put it here on this piece of land? Miran, I hope you are with me and understanding what I'm asking, right? Miran,
Yes, sir.
मैंने जो पूछा आपको समझ में आया नहीं आया? आप बीच बीच में गायब हो जाते हैं, पता नहीं क्या होता है आपके साथ ऐसा.
सर आपकी आवाज कट गई.
मेरा नेटवर्क बिल्कुल सही है मिरान. मैंने आपको पहले भी कहा अपना नेटवर्क को चेक करवाइए एक बार. ठीक है, ये
यस सर.
हर बार ऐसा एक्सक्यूज काम नहीं करेगा ना. आप बताइए मुझे. राइट, आप उसको अगर नेटवर्क में प्रॉब्लम है तो उसको चेक करवाइए.
ओके सर.
तो आपने कुछ भी नहीं सुना अभी तक जो मैंने कैपिटल वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस के बारे में बताया? हाँ, मिरान, मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ.
यस सर.
आपने कुछ भी नहीं सुना अभी तक जो मैंने कैपिटल वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस के बारे में बताया?
यस सर.
ऐसे कैसे काम चलेगा मिरान, बताइए आप मुझे. मैंने अभी अच्छी खासी सात चार पांच लाइंस बोली और उस आप कह रहे हो कुछ सुनाई नहीं दिया आपको.
सर वो कॉल आ गया था मम्मी का.
अच्छा, उनको प्लीज बता दीजिए कि अर्जेंसी अगर ना हो तो आपके क्लास की टाइमिंग पे कॉल नहीं करें आपको, ठीक है?
ठीक है सर.
So what I was telling about capital work in progress, Miran and Abhigyan, I hope you both can hear me, right?
यस सर.
See, there are few assets which we cannot purchase, but we need to get them constructed or built. For example, you have a piece of land which I have made here in form of a rectangle. Now, on this piece of land, you want a building where I have written B. Can you buy a building from outside and place it here? I'm asking, can you buy a building and place it here on this piece of land?
नो सर.
No. But we need to get this building constructed. Correct or not? Similarly, you have your office. You have your office in this shape. Now you want to make furniture here in this office. Since you have different dimensions, furniture usually would not be readily available in the market. So you have to get that furniture ready through a carpenter. Correct or not, Riddhi, Abhigyan and Miran?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Right. Now you start construction of the building or construction of the furniture. On the day one, the building or the furniture will not get ready. Correct? It will take some time, some days, some months, depending upon the size and the dimensions and the complexity of that particular asset. So, what you do, let's say, for example, you want to construct a building on a piece of land. That piece of land is your, let's say, your factory land. Now, what will you do to get that building constructed? I'm asking you guys. Tell me, guys, what will you do? Use your common sense and tell me you have to get a building constructed on a piece of land. What is the very first thing that you will do? Guys, I hope you all have understood my question and can answer it, right or not?
सर कांटेक्ट करेंगे किसी को।
ठीक है, उसके बाद सही बोला आपने, उसके बाद क्या करेंगे हम?
उसके बाद कैश देंगे।
किस चीज के लिए?
कंस्ट्रक्शन के लिए।
ठीक है। और फिर उसके बाद वो काम स्टार्ट करेगा, दैट फेलो विल स्टार्ट द वर्क एंड देन आफ्टर सम डेज द वर्क वुड बी डन, राइट? Okay, I'm sorry guys, there was an urgent call. So you will either you will first fix a contractor who will make the building for you, and you have to pay him, you have to keep paying him money for some days so that he could keep continuing the work. And after some days or after some period, finally the building would be ready. Right or not? Riddhi, Abhigyan, and Miran.
Yes, sir.
यस
Right.
सर।
So when you make the first payment, which account will you debit? You will credit cash or bank account, but which account will you debit? I'm asking you that. When you make the very first payment to a contractor, or if you do not appoint a contractor, rather you decide yourself to get all these things done, then what will you do? You will make the very first payment to purchase the items needed to construct the building. That is bricks, iron rods, sand, cement, many more things. So when you make the very first payment, which account will you debit? I'm asking you guys. We can.
परचेस अकाउंट सर।
मेहरान, आपको बहुत पढ़ाई करने की जरूरत है। परचेज अकाउंट हम गुड्स के लिए करते हैं, ये हमारा गुड्स नहीं है बिजनेस का। यू हैव टू स्टडी मेहरान वेरी थॉरोली। परचेज अकाउंट वी यूज टू परचेज द गुड्स इन विच वी डील। बिल्कुल ब्लाइंडली मत बोलो कोई चीज, पहले समझो उसको क्या है। क्या हम सीमेंट, रॉड, ब्रिक्स, सैंड इसमें डील करते हैं? बोलिए मेहरान।
नो सर।
तो फिर परचेज अकाउंट क्यों आएगा? We have seen it multiple times where purchase account is debited. You have the notes also of that. हाँ बोलिएगा, इस किस अकाउंट को डेबिट करेंगे? रिद्धि एंड अभिज्ञान, एनी आइडिया?
Building, the
Bricks
building
account.
construction account.
सॉरी?
The building construction account.
ओके, रिद्धि, व्हाट डू यू से?
Raw material account.
Again, raw material is, it is not our raw material. We do not deal in this raw material.
Then bricks account debit.
But bricks account is what? Means, what is the nature of it? Is it a real account, personal account, or nominal account? See, understand this, guys. We actually want to get the building constructed. But once we make the payments, it doesn't mean that building is ready. So we cannot debit building account until the building is ready. So what do we do in that case? We debit building in progress account. Here we debit furniture in progress account. Here. And here for construction of building, we debit building in progress account. Right? All such accounts commonly are called capital work in progress. I repeat, whether it is a building in construction, a building in progress account, or furniture in progress account, or any other asset in progress account, they all jointly are called capital work in progress. Have you understood this, guys, or not?
Yes, sir.
मेरान आ रहा है आपको समझ में?
सर समझ नहीं आया।
ऐसी कोई भी एसेट जिसको आप परचेज नहीं कर सकते, बल्कि आपको कंस्ट्रक्ट या खुद प्रिपेयर करवानी है, खुद बनवानी है, राइट? वो जब तक वो एसेट नहीं बन जाती है, तब तक आप उस पे जो भी पेमेंट करते हैं, वो उस पर्टिकुलर एसेट इन प्रोग्रेस अकाउंट में हम डेबिट करते हैं। जैसे अगर आप बिल्डिंग के लिए खर्चा कर रहे हैं, बिल्डिंग बनवाने के लिए, तो बिल्डिंग इन प्रोग्रेस अकाउंट को आप डेबिट करेंगे। कब तक? जब तक बिल्डिंग नहीं बन जाती। क्योंकि आप बिल्डिंग अकाउंट में डेबिट नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि बिल्डिंग बनी नहीं है अभी। ऐसे अगर आप फर्नीचर के लिए प्लाईवुड परचेज कर रहे हैं, वुड परचेज कर रहे हैं, फेविकॉल परचेज कर रहे हैं, आपने कारपेंटर को कुछ पैसा दिया है, फॉर ऑल दीज पेमेंट्स यू विल डेबिट फर्नीचर इन प्रोग्रेस अकाउंट। हैव यू गॉट मी और नॉट? Miran now?
Yes, sir.
So there are some assets which cannot be purchased but need to be constructed, built, or prepared. Building on a piece of land, customized furniture are examples of such assets. Naksh, I hope you are with us, right, Naksh?
Yes.
Today we started from here only, Naksh. These assets do not get ready overnight, but takes time to get ready. The payments towards construction of these assets until the asset is prepared or until the asset is ready are debited to asset in progress account. For example, okay, let's complete this first, guys. So all the payments that we do towards construction or preparation of these assets until the asset is ready, जब तक asset ready नहीं हो जाती तब तक उस पे हम जो भी payment कर रहे हैं, they all are debited to asset and progress account, right? The day asset is ready for use, that day we debit that respective asset account and credit asset in progress account. Why? Because now the asset is no more in progress. It has become ready for use. The day asset becomes ready for use, that day we debit the asset account and we credit asset and progress account with the entire amount that we have debited to this account so far. अभी तक हमने जो भी जितने भी रुपए से एसेट एंड प्रोग्रेस अकाउंट को डेबिट किया है, जब जब हमने पेमेंट किया उस एसेट के लिए, उसकी वजह से वो सारे टोटल अमाउंट से हम एसेट एंड प्रोग्रेस अकाउंट को क्रेडिट कर देते हैं. ये समझ में आया गाइस आप लोगों को इतना? एक बार देखिए और मुझे बताइए, आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस और नॉट? अंडरस्टूड दिस गाइस?
Yes, sir.
Miran,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Riddhi, have you got this?
Yes, sir.
Collective total of all asset in progress accounts is presented in balance sheet as capital work in progress. So suppose the day when you have to prepare your balance sheet, which in India usually is 31st March, that day you have total debit in building in progress account of 45 lakhs and total debit in furniture in progress account is of 8 lakhs. Both of these assets till 31st March are not ready for use. So on 31st March, when you prepare your balance sheet, in that balance sheet, you will show as an asset capital work in progress, the total of which would be 45 plus 8, that is 53 lakhs. ये समझ में आया आप लोगों को गाइस?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so on 10th of January 2025, a business has purchased bricks, sand, cement, iron rods for rupees 30 lakhs to get a storeroom constructed in the factory premises. Right? किस लिए किया है ये purchase? To get a storeroom constructed. Factory premises में storeroom construct करवाने के लिए. Correct? यहाँ पे हम डेबिट करेंगे बिल्डिंग इन प्रोग्रेस अकाउंट बिकॉज दिस स्टोर रूम एक्चुअली इज अ बिल्डिंग with 30 lakhs. This is increase in asset. Building in progress account is also an asset. And let's say we have made the payment through a check. That is decrease in asset. So one asset has increased, that is building in progress. Other asset, that is bank balance, has decreased. Right, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
10th of January, guys, we have paid to an architect rupees 1.5 lakhs to make design of the storeroom to be constructed in the factory premises. So building account debit, sorry, building in progress account debit, bank account credit with 1,50,000. Then on 15 January, we purchased these items to make the building. Again, building in progress account would be debited, bank would be created with 30 lakhs. Then on 20th January, we have paid wages of rupees 5 lakhs to workers for construction of the storeroom. Okay, making it 3 lakhs. Again, building in progress account debit, cash or bank account credit. I am creating this time cash account with rupees 3 lakhs. Cash is real account, you know this, guys. Again, we paid wages of rupees 2.5 lakhs to workers for construction of the storeroom. So here again, building in progress account debit, cash account credit with 2,50,000. Right? On 15 March, we purchased paint, sanitary items, etc. for 3.5 lakhs for the storeroom. Again, building in progress account would be debited with 3.5 lakhs and bank account would be created with 3.5 lakhs. So you will keep debiting building in progress account whenever you do any expense towards it, either by paying money or on credit until that asset becomes ready for use. क्योंकि अभी तक बिल्डिंग या स्टोर रूम रेडी नहीं हुआ है यूज के लिए, इसलिए हम अभी तक हमने कहीं पे भी बिल्डिंग अकाउंट को डेबिट नहीं किया है, बिल्डिंग इन प्रोग्रेस अकाउंट को हम डेबिट करते जा रहे हैं. आई होप इट इज क्लियर गाइस, दैट इज व्हाट आई हैव मेंशन हियर. राइट? मिरान, अभिज्ञान, नक्श एंड रिद्धि.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, on 20th March we purchased wood, plywood, adhesive and other hardware items for rupees 4 lakhs to get furniture ready for the storeroom. What should I do, guys? Which account should be debited and which account should be created? Miran, can you tell me this? अभी तक हम बिल्डिंग के लिए अलग अलग पेमेंट्स कर रहे थे। अब हमने फर्नीचर के लिए भी, क्योंकि अब बिल्डिंग का सिविल कंस्ट्रक्शन इज ऑलमोस्ट डन, दैट इज व्हाई वी हैव परचेज पेंट, सैनिटरी आइटम्स एटसेट्रा, राइट, वो परचेज किया है। और उसके तुरंत बाद हमने फर्नीचर के लिए स्टोर रूम, मतलब जो बिल्डिंग हमारी बन रही है स्टोर रूम, उसके लिए फर्नीचर बनवाने के लिए हमने ये सारी चीजें परचेज की। सो हाउ शुड आई रिकॉर्ड दिस ट्रांजेक्शन इन अवर बुक्स, मिरान? यस मिरान।
सर फर्नीचर अकाउंट डेबिट होगा।
फर्नीचर तो अभी रेडी हुआ नहीं है।
इन प्रोग्रेस अकाउंट।
करेक्ट, गुड। So we will debit furniture in progress account with rupees 4 lakhs. This is increase in asset. And which account will we credit? If you look at here, you can answer it.
कैश अकाउंट।
मैंने इसलिए बोला आप इसको देखिए पहले। फटाफट बोलिए मेहरान, इसको देखने के बाद ये देखिए ट्रांजेक्शन क्या हुआ, उसके बाद बताइए कौन सा अकाउंट क्रिएट होगा।
सर बैंक अकाउंट।
राइट। ठीक है गाइस। Then on 24th March we paid rupees 25,000 to a carpenter to get the furniture ready. So here again we will debit furniture in progress account and will credit cash account. Why? Because here it is not mentioned how we made the payment. Whenever it is not mentioned, you should assume that the payment was done by cash or in cash. Am I clear guys or not?
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
यस सर।
By 31st March 2025, neither building got ready for use nor furniture. So in the balance sheet as at 31st March 2025, मतलब 31st March 2025 की डेट की जो हम बैलेंस शीट बनाएंगे, उसमें एज एसेट हम क्या प्रेजेंट करेंगे? कैपिटल वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस। विद हाउ मच अमाउंट? विद द टोटल ऑफ डेबिट ऑफ बिल्डिंग इन प्रोग्रेस सो फार, राइट गाइस? सो दैट इज 31 lakh 50, then 34 lakh 50, then 37 lakhs, then 40 lakhs 50. So 40 lakhs 50 is of building and furniture is of 4 lakh 25,000. So 40 50 plus 4 lakh 25 means 44 lakh 75,000 would be presented in balance sheet as capital work in progress. I hope guys you have understood. You have to re-log in once the meeting gets over.
Yes, sir.
Have you understood everyone this? Miran, Abhigyan and
Yes,
Naksh?
sir.
यस सर।
Okay. Now, guys, on 14th of April 2025, that is the next accounting year. This was the accounting year 24-25, which ended on 31st March 2025. The next accounting year is 2025-26, which started from 1st April 2025. So, in that year, in the next year, building got ready for use on 14th of April 2025. So, now we will debit building account with the total expenses debited to building in progress account so far, and that was 40 lakh 50,000. This is increase in one asset and will credit building in progress account with 40 lakh 50,000. So this is decrease in building in progress. Why? Because building in progress is no more into existence now. Why? Because the building is ready for use. So building account would be debited, building in progress account would be created. They both are real accounts, guys, because they both exist in business in reality. Have you understood this? I'm asking, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And 16th of April, furniture also got ready for use. So for this also we will debit furniture account and will credit furniture in progress account. Right? With rupees 4 lakh 25,000, that is sum total of furniture in progress account. I hope, guys, you all have understood this. Abhigyan, Miran, Naksh, Riddhi.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So, guys, start noting it down from here and please do it very quickly, everyone. Guys, today I am sending you an assignment. What you have to do in the assignment, I will explain you immediately after you note this down completely. Right? Today is Saturday and tomorrow is Sunday. You have enough time. When we meet next on Monday, by that time your assignment should be ready, and before that you have to send it to me in
सर
PDF form.
मंडे को मेरी एग्जाम है
किसकी? कौन सा सब्जेक्ट है?
अकाउंट
अकाउंट्स का तो असाइनमेंट दे रहा हूँ आपको,
ओके सर
है ना? Or see, even though you have any other exam or any other chapter being asked in your school, guys, please do not skip the work that I'm giving you. ये सबके लिए बोल रहा हूँ guys मैं. Right? That assignment will, Miran, will not take more than 1 hour. And 1 hour can easily be spared for this, right? I'm asking guys.
Yes, sir.
Have you noted it down till here, guys? Everyone? Or you are writing?
Writing. Sir.
Okay. Abhigyan noted down this, right? Abhigyan and Naksh.
Yep. Yes, sir.
Okay, complete this, guys. Okay, Okay, guys. So I hope you have noted down this also, right, everyone?
Mhm. Yes, sir.
So guys, here I have
Yes, sir.
given two transactions, and you have to make journal book for this business. So this is journal book of Fashion Hub, which is name of the business. The first journal transaction or journal entry is cash account debit to capital account, which took place on 24th of August with an amount of rupees 25 lakhs. Here I have given the narration. This you know, guys. I have already explained how to make journal book and what all these details are in a journal book, right? But you also have to do one thing which we kept doing so far, guys. That is, this is only for initial some days, guys. That is what this account is as per traditional approach. These two accounts are, and what these two accounts are as per modern approach. Right, guys? This is increase in equity. Equity is also liability, you know that. But if we separate out internal liability from external liability, we call it equity. That is internal liability, means liability of a business towards its owners. Am I clear, guys, everyone?
Yes, sir.
The
Yes,
next
Yes,
sir.
sir.
transaction is of 25th August. Here, rupees 23 lakhs have been deposited into bank. So we'll debit bank account and will credit cash account. Increase in one asset, decrease in other asset. One is personal account, one is real account with rupees 23 lakhs. Right? Now, guys, with this transaction only we can understand, means with this debit and credit only we can understand what has happened here. And even by writing the same thing in as narration in brackets, nothing, no purpose will get solved. For such transitions, you can ignore narration also. Because what will I write here in the narration? Deposit rupees 25, 23 lakhs into a bank, which one can understand from the journal entry itself. Yes, if it is mentioned deposit rupees 23 lakhs into HDFC Bank, then we need to mention here, right? Because this information of bank is not reflecting here in the lines of debit and credit. In reality, guys, we debit HDFC Bank account and not just bank account, but in class 11th and 12th, you will do this only with bank account instead of writing name of the bank. And in questions, you would also not be given any name of bank at all. But in reality, we write here name of the bank. Right, guys? Usually, all middle size and large size businesses have their accounts in more than one banks, and that is why they need to have clear account details as which bank they are dealing with. So I hope, guys, you have understood this format of journal, right or not? Naksh, Miran, Abhigyan, and Riddhi.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So, guys, once you receive the assignment, you have to make in this assignment journal book of a particular business. The format of journal book as of now would be this. Do this, guys, before our Monday's class. Send it to me in PDF form by taking its pictures and sequence, right? And I will evaluate it. Any question, guys? Anyone?
No, sir.
Okay, so that's it, guys, for today. Right? Thank you, guys. I'm ending the meeting.